In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert slide numbers in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once your presentation is open, you'll want to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of the interface. This tab is where you can add various elements to your slides. Next, look for the text group within the Insert tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Slide Number. Click on this option to open the Header and Footer dialog box. This box allows you to customize the appearance of slide numbers and other header or footer elements. Now in the Header and Footer dialog box, make sure you're on the Slide tab. This ensures that any changes you make will apply to the slides themselves. You'll see a checkbox labeled Slide Number. Check this box to enable slide numbers on your presentation. Once that's complete, you have the option to apply these changes to all slides or just the current slide. If you want slide numbers on every slide, click Apply to All. This will ensure that every slide in your presentation displays a number. From here, if you want to exclude slide numbers from the title slide, simply check the box labeled Don't Show on Title Slide before applying. This is useful if you want a clean title slide without any numbering. With that out of the way, you can click Apply or Apply to All to finalize your settings. You'll notice that slide numbers now appear on your slides, typically in the bottom right corner. Finally, if you need to adjust the position of the slide numbers, you can do so by clicking on the number directly on the slide. This allows you to drag it to a new location or resize it as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to insert slide numbers in PowerPoint. This simple addition can help keep your presentation organized and easy to follow.